When working with ECL on the command line, there are many options that can be placed in a file called the ECL INI file. Even though the ECL command line is primarily a Linux application, it still uses the ECL.ini file. One such option is the -s or server option, which we would use on the command line to specify the server to compile and publish our query to. Just like in this example, where we publish our query to the server whose IP address is specified using the -s parameter. Using any text editor, you can create an ECL INI file in the same directory where the ECL executable is. The ECL INI file can be overridden by any parameters specified on the command line, just as in the previous example. The evaluation of options follows the following order of precedence. First, it will look at the command line for any command line parameters. Then it will look at any values set in the INI file, followed by the environment variable, any environment variables which may be set. And lastly, it will look at the default values such as the local host. Let's have a look at our queries on our local host. We won't pass any parameters along on the command line and just get a display of, in this case, one Thor query and one Roxy query running on our local host. And now let's create an ECL INI file. Using any text editor, in this case I'll use VI, and I'm going to add just this one value for ECL watch IP and provide a different server's IP address. Now we can run our same ECL queries list command for Roxy, and we can see two different active Roxy queries and no Thor queries, which you would expect to see on a different HPCC server. And once again, to reiterate, you can override any setting in the ECL INI file by entering it on the command line, as that takes the highest precedence.
Okay, thank you for watching.